Hi. For many, cryptocurrency is a mysterious industry. With time, more and more people are becoming interested in it and testing their luck with investing into digital currencies. The cryptocurrency industry is growing at a rapid pace, with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum being the hot buzzwords driving the crypto frenzy these days. Even though the crypto industry is only a decade old, novice investors are drawn to it as they see it as a quick way to earn profits. Unlike the stock market, the crypto market does not have any regulation, as a result of which its value swings up and backs down every day. So in this video, we will discuss why should you care about knowing what crypto is and everything you need to know before investing in this cryptocurrency market. Please take a moment to like this video so that it stays with you as your reference, and also subscribe to my channel to continue accessing content that will help you to learn, grow, succeed, and find the right guidance and solutions. So what are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that you can use as investments and even use them for online purchases. It is secured by something called as cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. It is worth noting that cryptocurrency does not physically exist, meaning that you can't pick up a Bitcoin and hold it in your hand. And unlike the Indian rupee or a US dollar, there is no central authority that maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. Instead, these tasks are broadly distributed among a cryptocurrency's users via the internet. Further, each coin of cryptocurrency consists of a unique line of program or code, and this means it can't be copied, which makes them easy to track and identify as they are traded. But there are some things that you probably didn't know about the digital currency world. So let's look at some of these things. First, the total amount of Bitcoin is limited. That's right. If you thought it would be possible to buy an endless amount of crypto, think again. Cryptocurrency is a limited resource like gold or oil, and this is why currencies like Bitcoin continue to increase in value as the supply goes down. Investors know that somewhere down the road, the number of Bitcoins and other currencies like these will come to an end. The second, no one knows who created Bitcoin. So who created it? Who is the person that created this virtual currency market? Well, no one actually knows. The most surprising fact about cryptocurrency is that the person or organization who created Bitcoin is unknown. However, people refer to the creator of Bitcoin as Satoshi Nakamoto. A popular belief is that the name is an acronym for the leading tech companies Samsung, Toshiba, Nakamichi, and Motorola. Number 3, cryptocurrency can't be physically banned. Many countries worldwide have discussed banning cryptocurrencies. However, despite their desire to ban them, it's physically impossible. Why? Because anyone can get a crypto wallet. Of course, countries can make regulations, but the cryptocurrency market itself cannot be banned. There are some countries that have removed the rights around using cryptocurrencies, such as Cambodia, Bangladesh, Algeria, etc. 4. There are over 5,000 different currencies. Everyone wants to get them. This is why new currencies are popping up in the industry daily. And as of now, there are about 5,000 different currencies in the world. Naturally, most of these currencies aren't worth much, nor will they ever be. However, there is always a diamond in the rough that people are hoping to get. In other words, not all these coins are useless. With over 5,000 cryptocurrencies available, some creative ones that exist are Coinye, Pizza Coin, and Cabbage. China is the biggest cryptocurrency miner. Well, who would have thought that? Mining of cryptocurrency is the process of verifying transactions before they are placed on the blockchain ledger. And it's an extremely lucrative part of the business. And as of now, China controls around 75% of the mining network. The next is that cryptocurrencies are taxable, of course, depending upon what country you live in. But since cryptocurrencies have now entered the mainstream markets, tax agencies worldwide are trying to make sure that they get their slice of the virtual pie. So many countries expect you to pay tax on your cryptocurrency profits. In the US, the IRS won a court case against Coinbase requiring Coinbase to provide information on over 14,000 users who had annual transactions over $20,000 between 2013 and 2015. So double check what's happening in your country. Now let's look at how does it work. Cryptocurrencies are not backed by a central authority, such as a government. Instead, they run across a chain of computers. It is exchanged from peer to peer on the internet without a middleman. So cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means that no government or bank managers know how they are made, what their value is, and how they will be exchanged. And all the crypto transactions are secured by something called as cryptography, meaning that it only allows the sender and intended recipient of a message to view its content. Is cryptocurrency and blockchain one and the same thing? The answer is no. Blockchain is the technology that enables the existence of cryptocurrency. A blockchain is a digital ledger of transactions that is distributed across the entire network of computer systems. So think of it like a ledger that shows the entire history of that piece of currency. To put it simply, it is a system of recording information that makes it impossible to hack the system. And each block in the blockchain contains several transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on it, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. A blockchain database can store a large quantity of information that can be utilized and accessed by many users and at the same time. But what makes blockchain unique is that it is not owned by a single person or entity, and that's what makes it more secure and trustworthy. The idea is that because no one controls the blockchain, they cannot take over and rewrite the records. Can you store your cryptocurrency? The answer is yes. It can be stored in something called as a wallet, which can be accessed by using your private key. That is the cryptocurrency's equivalent of a super secure password without which the crypto owner cannot access the currency. A crypto wallet stores the private keys that give the user access to their cryptocurrencies, allowing one to send and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It should be noted that your coins are stored on the blockchain and the private key is required to authorize transfers of those coins to another person's wallet. There are different types of crypto wallets available to cater to the different requirements in terms of security, reliability, accessibility, etc. So what types of cryptocurrencies exist as of today? Well, Bitcoin is the topmost traded cryptocurrency that everyone knows about and everyone talks about, but it's not the only kind of cryptocurrency out there. There's Litecoin, Polkadot, Chainlink, Mooncoin, Dogecoin, etc., etc. And currently there are more than 6,000 coins in existence as per CoinMarket. Bitcoin is the most stable coin, as the first cryptocurrency Bitcoin traded just below $1. But over the years, Bitcoin picked up a price momentum and has now exceeded the market capitalization of $1 trillion US. Meanwhile, investors should explore their options and choose the asset that could best serve their needs. So how can you buy cryptocurrency? Just like the stock markets, the crypto market has exchanges or brokers which are the facilitators. These exchanges often charge a fee or commission for each transaction, and some even give rewards for hitting a milestone, some give them as joining bonus. This policy may differ with each exchange, but some of the top crypto exchanges in India are WazirX, CoinDCX, CoinSwitch, etc., etc. But users have to sign up with their KYC credentials, download the app, and then they will be able to buy cryptocurrencies. These exchanges also help you to monitor the value of cryptocurrency and buy and sell it. Crypto exchanges rely on investors for the possession of cryptocurrency. This happens when users deposit crypto to sell and some new users come to exchange to buy it, thereby facilitating the trading of the cryptocurrency. It can be purchased in fractions. So if you are willing to buy a Bitcoin, you can buy it in a fraction. You need not own a full Bitcoin. And this is the case with all of the cryptocurrencies. Is there anything that you can buy with cryptocurrency? Yes. India, for example, is slowly opening up to the idea of accepting it as a legitimate payment method. And there are some practical issues with cryptocurrency as it cannot be exactly used for your daily transactions. However, there are ways to use your crypto to facilitate payments. Unocoin, for example, a Bitcoin trading site, is now allowing its users to buy vouchers from over 90 different brands using Bitcoins. Using these vouchers, you can even buy a pizza, ice cream, etc., and your health products, and even home appliances. In the US, retailers like Whole Foods, Nordstrom, Etsy, Expedia, etc., are now letting people pay using crypto. So, how stable are the cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. The cryptocurrency market actually thrives on speculation. Investors place speculative bets that cause a sudden influx of money or a sudden outgo, and this leads to high volatility. Additionally, the crypto market is also seen as a way to earn quick profits. So part-timers come with the hope of making quick gains, but that sometimes when that does not happen, they lose that patience and withdraw from it. This recurring involvement and withdrawal contributes to the volatility of digital coins. For those who believe in the objective traits of money, cryptocurrency comes forth as an optimistic change. Prices surges aside, most popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown tremendous value, urging investors to foray into this space from a more inclusive point of view. So plainly put, the underlying crypto tech, that is a blockchain specific public ledger, is a potential market disruptor when it comes to changing the way the traditional payment setup has been working. And now let's look at why should it matter. Number one, the benefits to merchants and consumers. Now, right now, crypto is a hot favorite in the retail space, riding on the perks of P2P payments and secure transactions. And despite the price volatility, top merchants are letting consumers pay using bitcoins and even other coins owing to the transactional safety in play. With consumers getting access to inventive crypto-related services in the future, the acceptance is only expected to move forward. The second is the change in the existing financial mindset. Despite people still dependent on banks, there has been a state of unrest when it comes to dealing with intermediation. Banks store your money and are in charge of it unless you want to make purchases. But cryptocurrencies are slowly making the space more autonomous by cutting out the middlemen that are in control of your hard-earned money. Even though this concept is still in its infancy, it holds a lot of definitive promise. It's a heaven for tech developers. Skilled developers relentlessly contribute to the crypto mining space while strategizing new ways to make the process less energy intensive and less time intensive. In addition to that, new crypto players are showing up each day with better transactional speeds, improved software development setup, and the ability to generate blocks quicker. The fourth is the influx of investors. Well, it's time that we reiterate the confidence that people have in the crypto space, especially when it comes to investing big and going long. But you should realize that people aren't paying for a particular company or standard value, but the inherent valuation of the existing technology as well. The fifth is money is money. Isn't it right? This holds true for the traditional or the physical money, but crypto players are also invested in populating the virtual space with diverse tech-backed options. The underlying technology associated with a given crypto player determines its value in the long run without bias or relative effects. For instance, Ethereum as an inventive blockchain platform with an affinity towards smart contracts is the reason behind the massive surge in the prices of Ether, the relevant cryptocurrency. So what are the key takeaways? 1. Cryptocurrencies have been described as a transformative technology that could revolutionize a number of industries. 2. Because they cannot be printed or seized, cryptocurrencies may also provide a safe store of value. 3. Cryptocurrencies remain highly speculative and there is no guarantee that they will ever achieve mainstream usage. And 4. There are several complex security protocols that should be followed carefully before buying cryptocurrency. While it's clear that there are many reasons to be skeptical of digital currencies, many traditional investors have been won over to this new asset class. The blockchain space is frequently described as a transformative industry with the potential to disrupt the world in the same way that the internet did in the 1990s. However, supporters of digital currency should be careful to understand that the risks of cryptocurrency are there before they start investing. In addition to mastering the complex security protocols and thoroughly researching their new investments, they should also take the time to understand the most common pitfalls that befall the novice investors. Hope you found this video useful. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel so that we are able to continuously post content to help you learn, grow, succeed, and find the right guidance and solutions for your varied needs. Thanks for watching.